Yeah. Crab. Crab is good to eat.
Jerry, can you say boy? Can you say girl?
Girl.
What
Girl.
does the pig say? Goink goink. What about monkey? Yeah, how about tiger? What about duck?
Cow.
How about rabbit?
How about chicken?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Ooh. Oh.
Where you going with Pooh? Where you going with Pooh? Oi, oi, oi.
Oi, oi, oi. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Where's Pooh?
Where's Charlie?
弟弟在哪里？黄杰利，谁是弟弟？你呀、你是弟弟吗？Can you say mine? Yeah, good job. Can you say boy again? Where's daddy?
Where?
Where's mommy? Where's Charlie? Charlie.
Charlie's right here.